Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yancy, and as you guys know, I told you guys in my last video that I was gonna dye my hair for you guys, so I'm doing that today. The colors that I'm using, I don't know, because I have two colors and I don't know if my hair is gonna be light enough, so I am gonna be bleaching my hair. But I want to use this one. It's like a lavender moon, but this is like a toner, so it's not like a color. And then I have this one, which I have like half of it, so I think it's gonna be enough for my hair. But I don't know, I'm still debating on these two to see which one I want to use. But to bleach my hair, I'm gonna be bleaching it with Quick Blue, and I know I'm not supposed to be using a high volume developer to dye it, especially with Quick Blue, because it's like really bad for your hair, but I am gonna be using the 40 volume just because I want my hair to lift a lot. But if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and you know damn well that you're gonna be looking at some crazy videos because I do a lot of crazy videos. But let's get started. Okay guys, so I just finished bleaching my hair, and to be honest, I used all of the bleach. I'm glad I bought two because one was not enough because my hair is so thick. So I just used both of them with 40 volume. Okay, and I didn't explain this in the beginning of the video. I do not wear gloves. Like, I was gonna buy some, but I thought Kevin's mom had some, but then I remembered, I was like, damn, like she doesn't have any because she told me she didn't have any. So that's why, like, throughout the video, like, I would stop and wash my hands, because bleach literally, like, if you use it with no gloves, it will like irritate your fingers and it would like look white and all, just like, it's not good for your fingers at all. It's not good for your skin. So that's why I was doing that, because I didn't have any gloves. But as you can see, my roots, I don't know if you guys can see them, are still black, but the ends are like really white right now because what's it called, since they were lighter than the top of my hair, that's why they're like really white. Just the top is gonna process a little more because I don't think it's gonna be extra white like the bottom, but I think it's gonna be like brown because it's gonna lift more, but we'll see. I wanted to get the front a lot lighter because I like lighter in the front, and like I don't care about the back, like if it's a little dark. But I just want it all to be one color. See how it looks like highlights pretty much? Because you can still see the brown on this side. And then the back looks like this. I probably left like a brown spot back there or something. But that's how it's looking. I'm about to wash it out and then put the toner in it. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I just washed my hair. I'm trying to dry it. I haven't seen how it looks. It's probably really brown. But I was reading and it says to apply the toner on damp towel damped hair. So just trying to dry it really good. Okay. This is how it looks. As you guys can see, my little waves are still in there, and my hair is like really, it's not damaged, it's still there. I know some people literally break their hair off, and I'm like, no, I don't want that to happen to me. But yeah. Yes. Ew. They're in it. This is a long process, and Kevin's been watching Luna, our baby. since I've been in here doing this, and it's been like an hour. I bet you he went to go give her to his mom. He gets tired of holding her because she's happy now. But to be honest, I'm really liking this. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. I like when I do this, like it's kind of like spotty to be honest, but it is what it is. I'm not really worried about that because my hair is like curly, so it just like bounces up when it's dry. So we'll see how it looks once this toner gets on it.
Hi, I'm Yancy, and this is my channel.
Hey, no, where's Luna? Where's Luna?
Downstairs.
With your mom? Told you guys.
Bye guys, we'll be back.
Sorry, Kevin interrupted my video, but I'm gonna be using the same bowl. I washed it out, and then this. Did I get the camera wet? And then this thing. And then I'm gonna be using the T18 and a 20 developer. Okay. Here's the next morning. I did put another toner in, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so this is the color that it came out to be. Literally, like, the bottom is all white gray. This is the color I wanted, like, for the bottom of my hair. And then this is all like light, but I don't know. I don't want to do anything to it right now because I've done a lot to it already. But this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get them back. It's like the bottom is so gray. And the top is light. But I'm going to have to work with this for like, I think a week or something. And then I'm going to have to like do another color for the top to get really gray, but as of right now, this is how it looks like. I know this video is gonna be crazy and long, and you guys are gonna be like, what the hell is she doing to her hair? But that's just how I am. It's just me. I'm crazy. I do a lot of things that I shouldn't do, but this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned for my update on my hair and see how that works. See you guys later. Bye.